T20 Torx. So there's going to be a hidden Torx behind this set of buttons. You have to remove the plastic trim first. Trim is really fragile. I would start off from the outer side and kind of work your way in. Okay, so this is the trim. You see those little square holes? That's where it's clipped on. So the outer one's kind of easier than the inner one. Or the outer one's harder to get, so start off from the outer and then you'll just do the inner last. Now you have to remove these. You're going to have to press on that tab to release it. And there's one as well in the front. So we're using a T20 Torx. So once you remove that, you're able to remove this whole trim. And it comes out with the cup holder assembly, the ashtray as well. So this is your cup holder assembly with the ashtray. So just make sure you unscrewed this T20 Torx and this, I think it was T20 or T25 on that one.
T20.
Okay, T20, so two T20 Torx.